Greetings, miracle in motion. My name is Sven-Alex Trygg. I'm from Sweden, and this channel is dedicated to the humble mission of helping humanity take the next evolutionary step. Messages of love for an awakening species. 20 years ago or so, I was up on a mountain during a 3-day vision quest, and eventually I accepted to be an open channel for Hunabku. Hunabku is the heart of the galaxy, because Earth needed assistance. A species needed assistance. So this channel is dedicated to transmitting or conveying insights I get and messages that needs to be conveyed. And love is the base. Love is the key. Love is the door. And I want to remind you that you are truly unique. You know this, but I want to remind you anyway. There has never been anyone quite like you, and there never will be. You have a unique tone to play in this beautiful symphony on Earth. And there's a sleeping sun inside you that is awakening. These are glorious times indeed. Celebration is the way to go. And challenges, of course, distractions that wants to take you away from your divine inheritance, your divine truth. Welcome to this channel. Let's see what we can do together, because there's nothing we can do on our own that needs to be done. It is co-creation. And ARC is a continuation of this mission. Awaken, remember, create. We're here to create the world we want to live in. A world based on love, acceptance, curiosity, and awe. These are indeed marvelous times. With love, I wish you and your loved ones all the best, and let's see what we can create together.